this is like this is where you actually will be visible. Okay, so your personality, what you think, your thought process, everything is going to come out. Mains mein to like everybody is idealistic, we write very good answers. Interview will bring out your original self anyhow. Okay, so my advice would be very sincere and honest, and that officer like quality developing in you since the very beginning of your preparation. So eventually you will be like that, have that bureaucratic touch in yourself. So that will appear in the interview as well. Okay, and for interview, be very like, it's a far-fetched thing to say now because like we have prelims approaching and everything. We are in the starting phase of our preparation now. But interview may please be very natural. What you are, you have to present that. Okay, don't try to be artificial because people sitting there are very, very experienced people. They are doing this job since years. They do not even take 5 minutes to analyze you. Okay, and we get trapped when we do not even realize that we are trapped. Okay, so be your natural self, be your original, and be confident there. And in case, and be honest. This one quality is the most important trait since the starting of the preparation till the end. Now how? One is that honesty to yourself. Okay, if you have decided कि आज लक्ष्मीकांत के 4 चैप्टर करके उठना है and you are getting up at 2 after doing 2 and you're not sitting back there on that day, you're dishonest to yourself. Okay, so that will eventually take more time in terms of attempts and all. So पहले में ही अपने अच्छे से बैठ के जो आज डिसाइड किया है, make it anyhow possible. आधा घंटा कम सोना पड़ेगा, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा. In case emergency nahi hai, that is a different thing, but be very honest to yourself and honest in your preparation also. Like sometimes what happens, we appeared for the tests, we do not get good marks, but we see around ki bakiyon ke bhi to itne hi aa rahe hain. So what matters? No. Set your own standard that, okay, if I've set my standard at 90, I have to reach that. Okay. So be very honest to yourself, to the dream that you've seen, to the goal that you set for yourself throughout the preparation, and be very honest in the interview as well. What happens in the interview often that there are questions which we do not know the answer to. Be very humble and clear to say that, sir or ma'am, I do not know. I will read upon this. Instead of trying to bluff, instead of trying to make up an answer, which they'll get to know in just 10 seconds that you're just making up, it's very good and safe to be honest and saying that I do not know, but I'll read on this. Or I'm not very sure, but if you allow, I can make a guess. Please be very honest. That is what worked for me, at least in the interview and during its preparation. And interview, if I talk about, like, first I will talk what exactly you need to have resources kind of preparation for interview. Then I'll talk about what I did for my interview. Okay, so first part, preparation. There is a detailed application form, DAF, that we call. Fill it very, very carefully. They give you 7 days to fill it. Take 4 or 5 days aram se. Fill it very carefully. Every word that you write there, every achievement, every hobby that you're mentioning there, be very careful about writing it because that is going to be like the syllabus for interview. Okay, so be very careful. Take help. I took guidance like from wherever I was getting, like mentors and all, to be sure that I'm filling the right things. That is the first step to interview, DAF filling. Then you have to analyze your DAF. For example, my name is Krishna. First thing in the DAF is a name, and my name is Krishna. So relate everything related to Krishna. Krishna water, Krishna river, Krishna water dispute, the tribunal, Krishna Janmabhoomi, my name, meaning, why this name, the Krishna Shila, that stone that was used in the temple, everything related to Krishna I prepared. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare for the DAF. Every word that you've written, you need to know in and out everything of that, most of it of that. Okay, so in case you have mentioned cooking as your hobby, be very ready that they'll ask you the recipe. Okay, so know it completely. Be very honest, that is why. In case you are not having that kind of a hobby, do not mention it. Mention what you originally do so that you'll be very more comfortable answering the questions and you will appear honest there. And that is the most important thing, that you appear honest and sincere there. So first is the DAF analysis that you do for every word that is mentioned. Like agar date of birth pe bhi kuch important aa raha, like for example, on my birthday, Indian Air Force Day comes. So Indian Air Force Day, I prepared everything. Kya ranks hai, abhi kaun hai, head kaun hai, logo kya hai, symbol kya hai, everything. Okay, so this is how you go about in your DAF. Home state ke liye, for example, I am from Rajasthan, so I took a book of state PCS, it's called My State Rajasthan, 300-page book. I revised it. Now I was able to do a lot of these things because my interview was on 9th April, that was the last day. So I was a little lucky in that. I used my entire that duration for my interview preparation. So I took those big things like 300-page book and everything. You might take a small thing, whichever is available to you. But yeah, I took that because I knew that I have time and I will be able to revise. That is what one thing is DAF. Second is current affairs. Current affairs are the most important thing for the newspaper, for the interview. So use newspapers. Now till mains, I had one newspaper, and sometimes I used to look up for mains. Till prelims, one newspaper only, Hindu. That is, I'm talking about me. You can make your decision. Then from prelims to mains, I started referring to the explained page on Indian Express. Sometimes I used to look up, like most of the times I used to look up at least once a day. Then after completing mains, preparing for the interview, Hindu plus Indian Express plus one paper for economy plus one local newspaper. Okay, so this is what becomes like newspaper 4 ho jayenge. Eventually, like it's not the entire 4 months I was reading all 4 of them, but Hindu or Indian Express to roz pad rahi thi, and I was making notes out of it. Now till mains, I did not make any notes out of the newspaper. Max that I was doing was kabhi jo important tha wo jaake likh diya tha bas notes mein. Now I was making proper newspaper notes, okay, in proper format, because interview tests your depth of knowledge. And my optional was also something dynamic, which is very like relevant in the newspaper, that is PSIR. So in interview stage, I made notes from the newspaper, and eventually 4 months mein I made 3 registers of newspaper ke notes only. And I had to revise them and go. Okay, so that is what I did. Newspaper is very important for this interview. So DAF analysis plus newspaper. Now since I had time, I took up some of the topics from GS ka syllabus and I revised them again. For example, internal security pe mostly questions kabhi na kabhi aa jata hai interview mein. So I took some topics from GS ka syllabus, mains wala, went back to that, revised the notes and done that. So optional to pura revise kiya tha, because optional is asked. Optional pura revise kiya tha. Besides that, some of the GS topics which I felt were important, like science and tech mein AI, quantum, and environment, government schemes, internal security, defense. These I took up and revised once, that in case any question comes up, I am ready. Okay, so this is what the resources for the interview were. Now, after filling the DAF carefully, after preparing everything, simultaneously you have to appear for the mocks. What happens is that there you get to know what kind of questions can be asked. Also, like it happens in the mains now, when we go, we write the test, we develop a kind of your hand also develops memory. Ki 2 hour 55 minutes mein wo likh dega. It will have a habit of writing, like we do not have a habit of writing 6 hours one day. So you try that writing 2 papers for 1 week. I did that. Okay, 2 papers in 1 day for around 5 days, 6 days. Your hand and your brain will have that memory. So when you are actually appearing for the exam, you do not feel exhausted. It appears like, ye to hum kar rahe the. So practice will make a person perfect here. So that is what it is. So mocks का ये relevance है कि mocks में confidence होगा, questions पता चलेंगे, actual हम कोई छोटी मोटी mistake कर रहे हैं तो वो पता चलेगा, and besides that like a memory kind of develops कि this is how I go in, this is how I sit, I talk, I come back. So when you're actually there for the interview, it won't appear too out of place or too something extraordinary to you. Okay, so that adds to your confidence and lowers the anxiety. Yeah, so give mocks, be honest, be confident in your interview, and eventually with mocks you'll get through that. And yeah, again I'll talk about my experience now for what actually happened on my interview day. And luckily I scored good in interview, like I had a score of 195. So interview worked in my favor to get the rank that I got. So my interview was for 31 minutes. Okay, and I was asked mostly random questions, not DAF based. So sometimes it's not DAF based, so but you have to go prepared. So some of the questions were DAF based, like one was from my college, 2-3 questions from Rajasthan. Besides that, there were random questions, like I was asked about Ambani's wedding and like any question, public administration. So this was something like random, so I answered there, thinking based on my thinking. Okay, and yeah. Now again, what worked in my favor here was honesty. Like in the very interview, like I was asked by the chairman sir that what I used to do is I used to take a pause in case there is a complicated question asked to me. I used to say that sir or ma'am, please may I take a moment to think. Then I used to think and then answer. So he told me that acha, coaching mein sikhaya aapko, so that you appear thoughtful. So you are being well trained in your coaching or what? So I said no sir. So then he pointed the finger at me and then told, you better be honest, okay? So I said that, okay, I'll be honest. So the reply I gave was that, sir, I did appear for the mocks in the coaching. That is true. I did appear. But what happened there was that when I take a moment to think without asking, the person in front assumes that I do not know the answer and he tries to move to the second question. So I think that it is safer that I seek your permission to think, I think, and then answer. So then he was satisfied with the answer, and then he started smiling that, okay, fine, we got the logic. So that is what, be very honest. In case you do not know, say do not know. Whatever you like, so show your sincerity there, okay? Be sincere. So that is what works in the interview, and have confidence, okay? So in case, even if you do not know 5 questions, be very confident to say that, sir, or ma'am, I do not know, I'll read on that. It's not an issue. Saying sorry is not an issue there. This is what advantage that mains does not give us. Now there we cannot say that, but in an interview you can do that, and that will be counted as honesty, and not as a penalty. So that is also an advantage. Yeah, and this is what my interview experience was about.